Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Kreg Graham, the Executive Chef at the Oak Bay Beach Hotel. And today, we're going to make a steak dinner. To make this dinner, you'll need Yukon Gold potatoes, fresh thyme, garlic, asparagus, and 2 8-ounce strip loin steaks, as well as the included peppercorn sauce. To start, slice your Yukon Gold potatoes about 1/2 inch thick. Add your fresh thyme and crushed garlic cloves, salt, pepper, add some olive oil, and toss the potatoes together in the bowl. Next, on a baking tray lined with some tin foil, place the potatoes, spread them out evenly, take another piece of tin foil, build a little package in the tin foil. We're going to take those and put them in a 450-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare the asparagus. Trim off the ends, toss them in the same bowl as you use for the potatoes. Again, a little bit of salt, pepper, and olive oil. A little toss. Place the asparagus in a baking tray. When you have about 10 minutes left on the potatoes, you can put them in the same oven to roast. Take your 8-ounce strip loin steaks, season them on both sides with salt and pepper. After seasoning your steaks, in a saute pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Add your steaks. Make sure to place them in the pan away from yourself. Add a couple of cloves of crushed garlic, a couple of squares of butter, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Move the steaks in the pan to promote even caramelization. Baste the steaks with the melted butter. After about a minute or so on this side, the steaks are done. We'll let them rest. Remove the steaks from the pan, place them on a plate to rest. Once you remove the steaks from the pan to let them rest, put the pan back over medium heat and deglaze the pan with some nice red wine. We've got Mission Hill Estate Cabernet Merlot. Once your pan is sizzling, away from the flame, add some red wine. To this, we're going to add the peppercorn sauce. a couple more cubes of butter. Swirl the pan and gently stir to emulsify the butter into the sauce. And there you have your peppercorn sauce. And now on the plate, we're going to place the potatoes on the plate. Add the asparagus. Steak. And finish with your peppercorn sauce. And there you have it, a beautiful steak dinner in 40 minutes. Enjoy!